We saw about the inquiries and the details inside the inquiry with files, follow-ups, proposals, different versions of proposals. Once you are done with all your follow-ups and revisions of proposals, the next step is to confirm the order. Once you click the confirm order, your inquiry is getting into the client side, and the client, the details are stored here. You can add multiple projects for every client as they can come back to their next house or the next house or the next project of the same house. So just by clicking add project, you can add a project, and here inside the project you will have all the details with respect to the project, the files that you store here, and with respect to design, schedule, other records, scope of work, the order sheet. The final BOQ will be saved as the first version of order sheet, and upon design works, revisions are inevitable, and those versions also similar to BOQ you can add here as well. Those are separate proposals, these are separate order sheets, and you can plan your project very easily by setting up the milestone and prepare a schedule in just a click and download it and share it with your client, and also track your payment schedule by adding data and also adding payment details. Track and raise invoice very easily. Just by clicking this, you can get into the data of the client will be pre-filled, and you can add what type of service you have given, service or service and supply, and just add those details and preview the invoice template, and then you can get in. So getting into projects, the list screen of the project will give you a glimpse of all the projects in your company, and you can just filter the projects that are yet to start and in progress alone by selecting in the filter. Just by viewing this, you will get to know which are overdue, which are in progress, which are yet to start, and the completed will have a complete green color for you. So these are your completed projects. And by just getting into a project, Milestone gets into the first page. Like once you start the scheduling, you can create a milestone, or you can copy from existing projects milestones, design. These are something that you yourself can define for your company: design, measurement, production, procurement, etc. Inside every milestone, you can add tasks, and for every project, you can add project members. And once you get into the project member, you can add, update, finalized order sheet, add project member, and all these data. Once you update, you will be able to schedule based on the project member and based on the task member. For this milestone, whoever are the project add members, you can add them and you can assign the tasks for them accordingly. When they log in into their dashboard, they will be able to see only the tasks that are relevant to them in their particular. The salesperson too will be seeing only these which are assigned for him. So that way you will be able to assign tasks very easily to every user, and they can track, they can get into task list, just update by clicking here. They can add an image from their mobile phone, the app. They can also take a photo of the site, and then they can add, and it is all very, very easy. And by giving the schedule, like you just give start date, expected end date, actual start date, actual end date, you will be able to understand which project is on track, which project is going off the track, overdue. This alert will help you completely focus and be in control of whatever projects you are handling. Thus, Sanyog gives you a very, very simple way of managing your projects completely.